So my name is Kyle Gilberg and I'm the materials manager here at Deco. I was born and raised in the Twin Cities up in Minnesota, and I went to college here in town in Decorah at Luther College, and I've been with Deco for about 5 years now. I joined Deco because I got an opportunity to stay in Decorah, and I love the area, and it seemed like an interesting company that I could contribute to and have an opportunity to grow here in a career. I think my favorite part of the job is the varied nature of it. I'm not doing the same thing every day, so I appreciate the fact that I can be doing different things throughout the day and day to day, and really actually contribute in a very meaningful way to what Deco's doing. I started as a supply chain analyst in the materials department, and then after about 2.5 years in that role, I moved up to the materials manager. The thing that Doug, our Chief Strategy Officer, has said before is, when you're in business, you want to have a win-win or no deal. So if you're coming to an agreement with somebody, whether that's somebody internally at the company or somebody outside of the company, you want both sides to come to an agreement, because if somebody doesn't like the deal or the solution that you came up with, long term, it might not work out. So if both sides are in agreement about what's the best plan forward, then it's a much better chance for it to work out for everybody. You should work at Deco because there's great people here. I think it's a great atmosphere to come to work to every day, and people love to support you in your individual journey at Deco.